How to add a car spawner on Roblox. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is open your Roblox studio and log into your account. Then from your studio, select a model or a base plate. Now from there, go to the top corner and you will see a button right here called the view. Now from the view, click the toolbox button. Now in this toolbox button, you can see that there are vehicles or categories for vehicles. So make sure to click that and then look for a car spawner. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just choose in the toolbox, or you can search it yourself. So just type car spawner on the search bar. Then wait for it to load, and as you can see, you have here a car spawner. So simply just drag it to your base plate and wait for it to load. And now we have the car spawner here. So let's move it side, and then we can now test the game. So let's test the game and see if it works. Wait for it to load again, and after that, you can now test if it will spawn a car. Now, as you can see, we have here the spawner. And as you can see, by pressing it, we are now spawning the car. And we can even ride the car depending on the model of your car. That's how you can add a car spawner on your Roblox studio.